Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tag video. I haven't done a tag in the longest time. Today's tag is going to be the Truthful Youtuber Tag. For some reason, I'm having the hardest time saying that. It's like a tongue twister for me. This tag was created by Mel Thompson. I have all the questions written down right here in front of me on a piece of paper. So if you guys want to hear the answers to this tag, then keep watching. Alright, so before I get into the tag, I'm wearing my glasses today, so I'm sorry that there's like a glare in them. Question number 1, have you ever received a product, tried it, didn't like it, and decide not to review it? There's been times where I've bought products that I wasn't like the biggest fan of that I was going to make a review video for, but I kind of felt like it was just going to be a stupid video, so I didn't do it. But I will eventually, because even if I don't like it, I'll try to use it up, because I just hate letting things go to waste. But I'll talk about it in like an empties video, because that's normally where I will talk about products that either haven't made it to my channel or that I've just used up. I normally talk about in those kind of videos if I like a product and if I would repurchase it and all that type of stuff. Number 2, product you use alone but don't show or use online. I mean, I have a lot of products, and especially I've gotten more from the advent calendar that I got over Christmas that I haven't, there's so many products I got from that I haven't shown on camera that I'm slowly trying to use and do reviews for. So there are some products, but there's also a lot that I just haven't even tried yet, because like I said, there were so many things in that advent calendar that I got that I just haven't showed. But I mean, there's things that I don't show on camera, like me doing my foundation, but I do some videos where you do see doing my foundation. I just don't show it in every single one. I only really feel like it's necessary to show that if like I really change something major to my routine or something. That's like when I'll show it and then like get ready with me's. But other than that, I pretty much like what I use on a day-to-day basis when I'm not filming is what I use when I'm filming, if that makes sense. Number 3, product you want but won't buy because you don't like the brand. A lot of Lime Crime products. I think some of their palettes are really pretty. Their lip products look amazing. I just can't get behind a company with doe deer. I remember before I started YouTube, I was on this app called Makeup Social, and just even like on Instagram, I would see like Lime Crime and all this stuff, and then people were like, go on Tumblr and check out doe deer and like all this stuff, and I started reading it and I was like, wow, she's sketchy. And even before that, I just heard like really sketchy things about her. So that is one brand that I would not buy from. But I did hear that, or someone told me, Raven told me, that's who told me, that doe deer might be leaving Lime Crime hopefully, but we'll see about that. Number 4, do you have any blocked words? Yes, I have a ton of blocked words. I have pretty much any insult curse word that you can think of that's blocked. My town is blocked and my county is blocked because there's psychos out there. I don't want them to like be posting my town in the comments on my videos and where I live. And yeah, those are pretty much the only blocked words that I have. Number 5, do you delete comments, and if so, why? Yeah, I delete comments because some of them can get really, really mean. I've gotten my fair share of hate comments. I've been on YouTube for, this year's going to be my 4th year. So I've gotten my fair share, and sometimes I just honestly delete them because if I don't, I'm just going to keep staring at it and it's just going to get to me. So if I delete it, it's like an out of sight, out of mind type of thing. I have to delete it. And I also like to just delete negativity from my channel because I don't want my channel to have like negative energy. I just want it to be fun. Number 6, do you block people? Yes, I have a nice big old block list. I have block lists of people who have given me hate comments. I have blocked people that are just like spam, that just ask for sub all the time. I have blocked people. I think I blocked Logan Paul actually just because he's Logan Paul. Just gonna be honest. I'm pretty sure I blocked Logan Paul on YouTube. Number 7, have you ever lied about a product to stay on good terms with a brand? No. I don't see the point in lying about a product. I like to be truthful about things. This is actually kind of funny, this question, because as a YouTuber, I get emails from brands, and one brand had emailed me about a week or two ago asking if I wanted to review a product. And it kind of, like, if you guys could see the emails, I've deleted them now, but if you saw them, they really made it sound like they were going to send me a physical product to try and review for you guys on YouTube and all that stuff. Because when I was talking to them, I was like, oh, this sounds great. Can I do a giveaway for my subscribers or a discount code, blah, blah, blah. And basically, they just wanted me to take a picture, or take the picture that they sent to me, save it to my phone, upload that very picture to Instagram, and put a caption that they wrote with a discount code and like promotion that they had going on their website, like this brand. And I was like, I can't do this. Like, first of all, the picture was not the same quality as my pictures. I have iPhone 8 quality pictures. This was like fancy Nancy Canon DSLR picture with like really great lighting. And I just said, no, like I can't do this. So I turned it down, but I just turned it down because they wanted me to lie about a product to you guys. And I was like, I can't do that. I can't. You guys know I'm very truthful about if I like something or if I absolutely hate it. And I have some reviews coming where I talk about things that like I do and don't like, and I just couldn't do that to you guys. So no, I'm always truthful, and if brands don't like that, then bye. Number 8, have you ever initially liked a product when you reviewed it and then changed your mind but didn't let your audience know? Well, let me open this drawer here. The CoverGirl So Lashy Mascara. I got this from Influencer forever ago, and I hated it when I first tried it, and it's been sitting in my drawer for the longest time. It's probably expired, but YOLO. And I tried it again, and I'm starting to like it a little more, and I don't know if it's just because the formula has changed from sitting in my drawer or what, or I just like figured it out. But that was something I said I didn't like. But again, I always talk about products in my empties video. I think there was an OGX dry shampoo I said I really liked. And in a recent empties video that I uploaded, I said I wasn't the biggest fan. So, I mean, things change as you go. Number 9, an influencer you don't trust. I have 2. Jaclyn Hill and Ciao Bella. Megan Lee. She's like the same person. She changed her name on YouTube. I don't trust Jaclyn Hill because over the past couple of years, everything that comes out of her mouth seems very fake to me. So that's just why I don't trust her anymore. And I used to trust her completely when I first started watching her channel. And Megan Lee is kind of the same thing. But with Megan, every time she uploads a video to her main, she has 2 channels, a main and a vlog channel. Every time she uploads a video to her main channel, it's a sponsored video, and it's so obvious she's getting paid for it, and that like completely just turned me off to her and her channel. And I used to literally, like, if she recommended something, there's a couple palettes that I bought because she was like, this is the best thing ever, you need it in your collection. And now I just can't trust her at all. And it stinks because she was really good at one point a couple years ago, and I just hope like I never get like that. If I ever do get like that, like slap me. Number 10, an influencer that you trust the most. I trust actually like a lot of smaller YouTubers, Evie, Nikki, Raven, smaller YouTubers. But I also trust like Desi, Perkins, Katie, Kate Nicole, Dana Ann. I think they're all really good, trustworthy, bigger YouTubers. Olena, I am just a makeup lover. All of them, they're bigger, but they always are very truthful in my opinion. Number 11, secret tips or products application, you don't show while on camera. Well, like I was saying before, I don't really show my foundation a lot, but if there's anything that I ever change about my foundation routine, I eventually will film a foundation routine video, so it is on camera in a video that you guys can see if you have any questions or anything. But there isn't really anything in particular that's like, you know, crazy. Number 12, have you ever showed a product but you were actually using another? No, but I have, when I do voiceovers, accidentally say another product and then like realize it way too late. But I always put the correct product in the description box, but it's always on complete accident because I'm dumb. Like, that's honestly why. Number 13, have you ever not disclosed a sponsorship? No. I always say if I got something for free and all that stuff because I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. Number 14, have you ever had a bad interaction with a brand? No, I have not yet, thankfully. Number 15, have you ever bandwagoned with other people's thoughts on a particular product? Yes and no. I think one like that would stick out to me the most is the Subculture palette, just because everyone was saying how bad it was, and then that kind of like made me not want to buy it. But then when I saw it in TJ Maxx for $25, I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. But those opinions after I used it, when I did the review video, were still my own, like what I was thinking and still think about the palette. But I mean, that's like the only time I can really think like I bandwagoned. Number 16, things other creators do that get on your nerves. Hold on one second. That, when people do this, drives me insane. Oh my God, this. Edit this out. This. Edit it out. Take it out. Just edit it out. Just mute that one little section. Whenever I'm editing and I hear myself do that, I like actually cringe, and it's my own self. It drives me up a wall. Oh my God, I hate that. I absolutely hate when people do that. I also really don't like when people get their volume controls all mixed up. I know I've done this in the past, but I was still learning. But sometimes people really blast the song volume, but like put their volume on like 4. Like, what's that? Those are like two of my biggest things that get on my nerves. And that is it for this Truthful YouTuber tag. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you want to do this tag, I will leave the questions down below in the description box. You should do it. I'm not tagging anyone specific, but if you haven't done this yet, do it because I said you should. You should just do it. If you are not already, go follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.